Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage juice without a juicer full guide. Start by chopping a firm head of cabbage into small pieces and wash thoroughly. Add cabbage and a cup of water to a blender, pulse until smooth. Strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a bowl, pressing to extract liquid. Season with a pinch of salt or a squeeze of lemon to balance flavor and enjoy fresh juice. To boost yield, try cold steep. Chop cabbage finely and steep in cold water for 30 minutes, then blend and strain. Use a food processor if your blender feels small, pulsing in batches to avoid overheating. For green cabbage versus red, expect milder flavor from green and more antioxidants from red, so adjust lemon and salt to taste. Store juice in an airtight jar in the fridge up to 3 days and shake before drinking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more kitchen hacks and recipes. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I picked these up and they made cleanup after juicing comfier and quicker. Check the description for the link and other deals and hit notifications for new videos. Now let's get back to the video. To improve texture, blend with a small peeled apple or cucumber for sweetness and smoother body. If you prefer warm juice, gently heat without boiling to preserve nutrients, then cool before storing. Consider adding herbs like mint or a pinch of ginger for digestion and brightness, adjusting amounts to your taste. Remember that fresh cabbage juice is potent, so start with small servings and consult a doctor if you have thyroid concerns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.